Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video with the WYZE Robot vacuum. And we'll be cleaning the garage, our floor, carpet, wood. So let's get started.
Starting cleaning.
Alright guys, it is done. Let's check out the job it did. But did a pretty good job. Works on my lamps. Let's put the chunk there. Carpet still has a lot on it. Other than that, it did really good. So, alright guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.